Good evening, traders. It's Paul Clevitt from the SignalTrader Forex trading system. Everything's flat. You can see this is the Aussie yen. Look at this, absolutely flat, not going anywhere. And these are about 60 pips either way. Now the problem with this, of course, is that when you get a signal, or you get a signal to say here, let's go bearish, it doesn't really go anywhere, and then it comes back again. And so you have to have much bigger stops to trade in this kind of market if you're going to trade at all. Most traders actually do stay out of it, and unless you're trading, there's something on, let's see, New Zealand Chief. That's quite a good one. New Zealand dollar's been quite, but again it's flat. Look, there's a bit of a breakout, but I bet you that's just going to come straight back at it. And also, we wouldn't take this trade. Look at what Strobot is telling us. The SignalTrader is raising this. There's no trade outside pivots. We've got like a set pivot area. Now we expect the trades, the pairs, to bounce off of them. You can see here. If it goes above it or outside of those areas, that's like a no man's land. We don't want to take trades out there because they are going to probably come back at us. Okay, and come back. So Strobot tells us things like all these arrows. The left-hand arrow is the overall trend, and the right-hand arrow is the price in relation to it. So let's have a look at, let's pick one. Here we are. This one's GBP Euro, and you can see on the 15-minute chart, let's go and have a quick look at that. You can see that we've got a it was bullish, but it's turning bearish. So that means the direction is changing. And here's the bullish bit here. You can see that it's actually changed bearish. In fact, it's flat. But Strobot tells us the rest of them are bearish, but the chances, but it was bullish. You can see it up here, and now it's turning back down again. Excuse me. So other things, so up here it tells you roughly what's going on. So let's try New Zealand CAD, which I know is one we're interested in. We've got a long trade on this. You can see that the stop is way down here. The TP is way up here. And in fact it says no trade risk reward too small. So it calculates the distance from price to the target and to the potential stop. Now at the moment the risk is it's 1-to-1. So we don't want to take a trade on that. Now I've got an existing trade that's in it at the moment, which has not been going very far. I mean, you can see that it's not very much because the markets are flat because of the Iraq situation, the oil situation. Petrol prices over here are going up. So that's 39 pips in a day. In 2 days, it's only done 60 pips. It's nothing, absolutely nothing. Strobot made 350 pips 2 weeks ago, and at the moment because there's no volatility, there's no movement. We're just having to hold on. There is a nice bullish move going on here. Expectations is it will come up to here and then bounce off or thereabouts. If it breaks through that, well, fair enough. So that's it really. So that's the most boring trading environment at the moment is the markets because it's all flat because of the Iraq situation, and there's a lot of money going into things like oil. So we just hold for now, just like SignalTrader says. Have a good night. I want to be a forextrader.com.